Hello Jay, to ensure clean linen is used for all functions, we need to follow a good exchange program. Soiled linen must be returned to the linen room and fresh ones for use must be taken. In this video, I will tell you how to exchange linen from outlet in the linen room.
Hi there, I am Jay and I am learning to work in a hotel. In this channel, you will find information about working in hotels. Why don't you join me in learning together? And if you work in a hotel or are looking forward to work in one, do subscribe to this channel. I am sure you will like the videos we post here. In 2 to 3 minutes, you will be able to learn something that can help you with your career in hotels. And if you subscribe, do not forget to click the bell icon to receive notification when we post a new video. So sir, please tell me how to take care of the linen exchange.
Depending on your requirement, you need to fill out the requirement form to issue linen from the linen room. Get it signed by your supervisor and collect the linen. Check each piece of napkin for wear and tear. If there is any damage, replace it immediately. While you go to the linen room, also take the soiled linen with you for exchange. Note the number you return by counting it in front of the linen room attendant. Enter the numbers in a linen exchange register. That way you will be able to maintain the inventory with you. Any damaged or missing linen must be noted immediately in the register and it should be notified to the housekeeping department. This is how you exchange linen from the linen room for your outlet. Sounds simple enough, but if the inventory is not managed, we may not have enough napkin when guests come to visit the outlet. Do take care of the napkins and make sure it is used only for the task it is meant for.
Thank you sir for telling me about the linen exchange process. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And on our website, clarifiedbetter.com, you will find certificate course that you can get started for free. These courses are for all departments in the hotel industry, so go visit the website and check it out yourself. See you in the next video.